All right, guys, well, changing the air filter on McLaren, you have to literally pull back the carpet and basically the real well carpet, get into the air filter box is where we're gonna go to change the new BMC air filter, high performance. So this is gonna be good because this is the old one here. Looks not bad to be honest, but it's dirty obviously, right? So changing the air filter on a McLaren 570S or 600 LT. Yeah, so just basically gotta take off the wheel. All right, once you take off the wheel, you can get access to behind where the air box is, and that's where we're gonna replace it. So stay tuned. There you go, dropped in the new BMC air filter for the 570S 600 LT McLaren. Looks really good, and it's time to close it up. And because it's a twin turbo, you're going to be doing the other side as well, the exact same. Remove the wheel wall, and you'll see the air filter box, and there you can remove it and replace the filter. All right, got the passenger side done as well. It's as easy as pop it off and just push it in, and it just snugs right in place. For those who want to know, it's just pretty quite straightforward. It's simple, 3 bolts to hold the cover, and again, removing the carpet wheel well after removing the tires, and there you go. You have your air filters in. Your BMC air filters are now in, and I will definitely let you guys know, or comment in the comment section and ask, and I will let you know in terms of the reviews of if I see a difference. I'm sure I do, but anyways, yeah, just stay tuned, follow up, ask me questions, and I'll do my best to respond to let you guys know how the BMC filters are. But I've also heard that they're like #1, so I think everybody speaks for it. Pretty much speaks for it, and it speaks for itself too. So I am actually looking forward to try it myself. So yep, that's installed the McLaren for the 570S 600 LT, and yeah, awesome guys. I'm just happy to share another moment of, you know, tech talk, garage talk with my fellow motor addicts. Okay guys, well there you go. There's the wheels are back on, air filters in, carpet's back in, and all you gotta do is torque it at 100 pounds and you're good. McLaren life.